Welcome to Interior Designs YouTube channel. Creative furniture designs have the power to completely transform any space, making it both functional and visually striking. Modern designers are pushing the boundaries of traditional furniture, introducing pieces that not only serve practical purpose but also act as a prestige expressions, from multifunctional coffee tables that double as storage units to modular sofas that adapt different room sizes. Innovative designs can maximize space while adding personality. Floating bookshelves, for example, creating an illusion of more room while keeping things organized. Similarly, convertible furniture like foldable desks or Murphy beds can turn a small apartment into a versatile living area. Unique materials like reclaimed wood, metal, and eco-friendly fabrics also play a role in elevating the aesthetic while being sustainable. The use of bold colors, geometric shapes, and minimalist line can breathe new life into otherwise dual interiors while it's through quirky sitting arrangements or space-saving solutions. Creativity furniture is all about blending beauty with functionality, making your space a true reflection of professional and personal style. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.